once what happened was there was a king who did not allow them to go to Pandharpur and stop with them. No, you cannot do with the Lavans, etc. And then he said, you have 4 days time, and he cut a cow into 2 pieces, into head and body, and he asked, can you make your Vittal to bring these both together? Then I believe your Vittal, he said. At that time, so what Namadeva did was, he was singing so many abhangs, but Vittala did not come. So at last he thought, okay, let me call him as Rangamma instead of Ranga. Because always these female gods are more, kind-hearted than the male ones, isn't it? So that's how this song came in. So there's a short story behind that. Let's sing this Rangamma. Rangamma, Madhi Rangamma, Rangamma, Madhi Rangamma, Rangamma, Madhi Rangamma. See, because he has Madhi, right? Rangamma, Madhi Rangamma, Rangamma, Madhi Rangamma, Rangamma. So after that we will continue and finish with the